I am using my cream separator for the very first time. And we are getting cream, goat milk cream. Look at that thick, beautiful cream. Oh, it's gorgeous. Yay, and then I'm gonna make cheese with the skimmed milk here in just a minute. And of course I've got my coffee with my goat milk in it. We are cooking. Turns out you have to have the milk at normal body temperature, around 100 degrees, for it to work the best. Learning as I go. Okay, I ran the milk through a second time, and we are almost up to a cup of cream, and we're not done yet. This was 1 gallon plus 2 quarts, so 6 quarts of milk. And then I'm going to make cheese with it here in just a second. I got a bit to go. Yum. The cheese is done. I added my hot peppers and a little ghost pepper to it, and salt, and made a nice soft chevre, if that's how you say it right. The soft farmer's cheese. And then my butter turned out. Goat milk makes white butter, not yellow, FYI. So it's going to go in the fridge and harden up a little bit. I probably should have done it with cold cream. Yum.